Alright, now let's see if the 77 will start. It hasn't been started either since June, since that tug of war. I think we'll use a little bit of beer in the bottle to prime this one so I don't wear the battery down after trying to start the dump truck with that same battery. Okay, battery's in, but there is mouse shit everywhere. And a big mouse nest made out of firewall insulation right beside the carburetor. I hope the sucker's home. Let's see. No, not home. That might catch fire. Get that shit out. Okay, we'll see what's going to happen. Power on. Automatic choke. Throttle's working. I need more gas. Yep. Alright. Okay, got more gas dumped in there now. Oh, come on. Tell me I need more. Yep. Carbureted cars, the fuel system all needs primed every time they sit forever. Take 3. Ah, fuck! More. Next take. I don't think it's sucking much fuel. Try again. Man, this thing drinks more than Anna Tom's does. Here we go again. Ah. Come on. Farts like Anna Tom's does too. Stinks like hell. You sure do drink a lot. Feel sorry for my son Charles. Next. Oh! I think I give up. She just drank all my beer. What more can she take from me? Damn it. Bitch.